So sexy.
That toss was flamingly sexy.
Hot!
Flaming! Flaming!
Go dark.
I didn't know David Beckham played bocce.
He does everything. Alright. It's a good ball. That's a good ball. Yeah.
Oh!
That's a good ball.
Very nice.
Yep. Oh.
Not sexy
Get it
enough.
close. Snug it up.
Kiss the ball. Kiss the ball. There we go.
Look at it. Look at it as it rolls.
Oh!
Watch people going over the throw line.
Yeah, watch that shit.
You can
Marshall?
pick up a ball. Told you about that earlier.
Oh.
Dun dun dun.
Knock it out. It's going to be tough to get more than 1.5.
Yeah.
It's doable. It's doable.
Yes, son.
Mustache for the toss.
Just one.
Not a bad toss,
All right,
mustache.
guys.